If you're chasing the best balance between price and performance, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D is the clear pick. This 8-core chip uses AMD's 3D V-Cache technology to stack on extra L3 cache, and that translates into higher frame rates and much tighter lows in CPU-bound titles like strategy games, open-world RPGs, or big multiplayer shooters. Even in 2025, this CPU punches way above its price. In many benchmarks, it sits just a step behind the newest 9800X3D or even the monster 9950X3D, but at a fraction of the cost. It's efficient too, with lower power draw and temperatures that are easy to handle on air cooling. If you're building a rig focused mainly on gaming, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better blend of performance and value. It's the kind of CPU you can pair with a mid-range or high-end GPU and know you're getting top-tier gaming numbers without paying premium CPU pricing. For an alternative, the Ryzen 7 9700X is a strong option. It's based on Zen 5, and it actually ties or beats Intel's i9-14900K in a lot of gaming tests while using far less power. It doesn't have the extra cache of the X3D chips, so it won't quite match them in pure gaming, but it's newer and better balanced if you also do productivity tasks. On the Intel side, the Core i7-14700K is the standout. It delivers gaming performance that's basically identical to the i9-14900K, but at a much lower cost. You get more cores for multitasking, and it's a great option if you're building around Intel. Intel's Ultra 7 265K is the new kid on the block with the 1851 socket, but in practice, its gaming performance isn't much better than the 14700K. That makes the 14700K the smarter pick right now. It's cheaper, and it performs just as well in real games. If you're upgrading an older AM4 setup, the Ryzen 7 5800X3D deserves a mention. It's the best gaming CPU you can drop into an AM4 board, and it extends the life of that platform without forcing a full rebuild.